guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, my name is Magdalene. On this channel I talk about fashion, travel, lifestyle, and if you have always been an OG on this channel, thank you for always coming back to my channel to check what I've been up to, right? So let's get into what this video is about. You must have seen it from the title that this video is my first ever luxury unboxing. Yes, so I'll be unboxing my first ever luxury handbag. If you guys are not new here, you know I definitely love handbags. So it's not news that I'm collecting my first luxury as handbag as opposed to going for scalps and all that. Plus I got a very good deal on this bag. So before I go into the backstory of how I got this bag and all that at a very mouth-watering price, don't forget to give this video. Okay guys, so this is the bag I got. I've unboxed it but not fully unboxed, so it came with a box like this, and yeah, it has its own dust bag. Yeah, I've never really gotten a bag that has a dust bag, so this is it. Very nice bag. As you can see from the name of the dust bag, I got it from the real, right? So it looks like I'm wearing it just now, but it's the real. I'll write the name on the screen. So this is a second-hand luxury designer handbag, and the brand I have always loved. I even follow them on Facebook because they have budget-friendly, budget on a budget luxury handbag. Is Michael Kors. If you guys are not into Michael Kors, I don't know what you're waiting for. Michael Kors handbags are nice. Their outfits are, I can't scroll past their Facebook page without like tap commenting and liking it, because I actually do love this brand, and getting their new price for their bag is something I don't want to do as at now, because going for an handbag of 100 plus is not really what I want to do with my conscience. So when I saw this at the price I saw it on the real, after my overthinking and second guessing, I decided to go for it. So why did I decide to what's the backstory about this bag? I've always loved Michael Kors bag, and I decided to go to the real. This the real sells second-hand handbags. So second-hand handbags, clothes, shoes, accessories for people that are really selling off their items. So the reason I love the real is because they authenticate this designer brand. So if you're new to buying designer, it will be strange, or it won't be strange if you finally go to get your first designer and you didn't go to these big stores. Maybe you use a personal shopper that is not verified, and they will give you something that is not authentic and sell it at an outrageous price for me, because we all know that designer brands are very expensive. But the real authenticates these items to be sure they are real authentic luxury items. So Luri doesn't just sell luxury handbags, they sell luxury accessories, necklaces, luxury clothes, anything luxury, like the Gucci's, the Bottegas, the Louis Vuitton, the Balenciagas and all that. But me, I've been eyeing another bag which is also from either Marc Jacobs. I like the Marc Jacobs luxury shopping bag, and also I'm into this Ted Baker, I can't remember the name of the brand right now. There are two on my mind, also on the real. I love these two brands, but right now Michael Kors. Yeah, so let's unbox it. So this is the dust bag it comes in. Very nice dust bag, which I'm going to keep it on because it is the only way I know I can store it very well without having issues with it. So this is nice, you know, right? Oh my god, so this is the Michael Kors bag I went for. I have it pinned on my Pinterest already, like something close to this, something similar. So what's the retail price of this bag to start with? The retail price of this bag, it's $398. So I got it for second-hand price. The price they are selling it, they are offering it on the real was about $70, and I was like, $70 for a designer handbag? And then for real, $70? Though most of us will like $70 may be a lot, you know, for just one bag or one item. normally if you're a budget shopper like me, you prefer to just maximize enough with your $70. Your $70 can buy a whole lot on Shein, you know, if you're a Shein girl, or a whole lot on Zafo, maybe up to like 3 or 4 items with $70. But $70 for one designer handbag, it made sense to me, because designer handbag, to know how it is, this bag, the retail price is $398. The person selling it off used it in a very good condition and is offering it for $17. So initially I put it on my cart and I was like, $17. Oh babe, $70, are you really sure you want to spend $70? So I was like, let me hold on and put it on my cart. Then I got an email that I've gotten a stock credit of $25. What? I rushed back to the real store for this handbag. I wanted to go for the black or this pink color, but I was like, black or pink, and I love this very nice baby pink color. It's a very nice pastel pink, beautiful. It can go with a whole lot of my outfits. And though I've always wanted to have more black bags, I was like, this was perfect because it's beautiful, it's chic and all that. So I decided to go for baby pink. So when they took out this $25 stock credit they gave me out of the $70, it was about $40 something. I was like, this is making sense for a bag, not just any bag, a designer bag. Then you were also offering a sale at that moment of 20% off. Well, now why not maximize everything they're offering? And let me see if after using my stock credits, the discount code they're offering may still work for me. I wasn't sure, so I tried it. Lo and behold, that also worked. Do you know the final price of this bag? $35. Yes, I bought this bag for $35. Everything plus shipping was about $45. But imagine, I bought a Michael Kors handbag for $35. So if you guys want to buy a luxury bag at a very cheap rate for the brands you're loving and you're willing to spend for it, check out the review, because you never can tell. You may just get a discount. There may be a promo when you're going to order your own bag, or also you can just get a stock credit for just keeping it on your cart. So if you had like 2 or 3 items to your cart and you know you can actually afford it, maybe you want to use like $200 or $300 to buy at least 2 handbags of luxury designer brands, and you keep it on your cart, you might just get a stock credit. Never can tell. Though I've heard some OG luxury influencers talk about the fact that when you put your items on carts and leave it for a time, not just luxury influencers says when you put your items on cart and leave it for the meantime, these brands have a way of luring you back to come back, you know, come back and check this thing. So when they say come back, you have an item left on your cart, you don't come for it, they will come back and tell you that they have a discount. And when they offer you this discount, don't sleep on it, because this discount does not last for more than maybe 24 to 48 hours. And I was able to use mine and I got this bag. So this bag, you can see the very nice Cost bag. I'm very sure it's authentic because of the verification from the reviews, so that is the reason I'm very sure. Then the metal on it, I was told that it's fairly used, a little scratch somewhere there. I checked, I can't even see the scratch, it's not visible. So they check the status. So when you are shopping from the review, check the status. Don't just say because it's cheap. You may see a Cost bag for $50, you go and click. Check the status, but they will tell you fairly used, good condition. The conditions that it is, they will state it. Maybe there is scratches at the bottom, maybe the leather is a little bit washed off, maybe it's faded. You will see it, so you know, like they are very honest with what the status of the item is. So you can see this is the chain strap, so it's a nice shoulder handbag, basically meant for the shoulder. It's not meant for any other part. Shoulder is not a top handbag, it's a nice tote handbag. It can fit in a whole lot except a laptop, you know. And this bag, it came with instructions, you know, came with its own instructions. And I'm like so this, it has 2 pockets inside. Then there's, so in case you want to resell or hand it down, it's just better, even if you're not buying from second-hand market, like you just want to buy your own new, walk into a designer store, or you want to go to site like List that site I'm eyeing because they have affordable options too, and they're always having sales. Or you want to get it from Lux. If you don't know all these places to buy designer brand, I'm going to link it in the cards. The place to get second-hand handbags. I think I've done a video on where to get budget-friendly handbags, the affordable designer handbags or designer brand you should look out for, because designer is actually within your reach if you can just save up for it. And some of them, they are within the range of $300, $200, $100. And if you look at it very well, most of us shop, and we shop $100 for items that are not really that quality, and you still go back and shop for fast fashion brands. Why not just use it and invest in a designer? Anyway, this is not me touting designer for you guys. So this, the Michael Kors handbag and small goods. So they wrote the instruction of how to maintain it. It should not be exposed to too much sunlight, extreme sunlight. And I'm wondering how this is going to practically sit in the cozy office or in my closet, or I just wear it to church and we are back. So you can't spend so much time in the sun, just like every of my other handbags. Then you should not expose it to too much water, which I understand because it is pure leather. I think the kind of leather is also there. So it's a soft pink. It's a leather handbag. This is pure leather. The brand, the type of bag is Jet Set travel bag. So it is mostly like a carry-on handbag, and I can see why. It's a very nice airport outfit handbag, a nice strolling around handbag, a nice going out handbag. It's a perfect work handbag, work to the handbag. If you are such that go to a workstation, this is a very nice handbag to carry. It's a structured bag. You can put in some stuff into it to keep its shape, which I may do or not. So to keep its shape for you for as long as you want. If your handbag, your laptop is not that big, it can actually fit into this bag. So I'm going to be maintaining this, keeping the instructions for me, and maybe hand it over. So yes, this is for me. This is an introduction into getting luxury on a budget. I'm not shying away from going for thrift options. I'm not ashamed of it. So I love my Michael Kors handbag. So what do you guys think of this style of Michael Kors handbag? What do you think about my first luxury handbag purchase? Comment down below. What will be your first luxury purchase? Will it be a scarf? Will it be a bag? It depends on you though. But me, bags. I'm still going to collect more handbags. So guys, if you love this video, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till another time. Bye guys.